Can you give me R? Where is R? Show me R. Good boy. Give it to me. Yes. Can you give me E? Where's E? Show me E. Athar, can you give me an E? Where's E? E for elephant. Good boy. Well done, Athar. Give it to me. Right. Now where is X? Good boy, Athar. And where is F? Well done. Give it to me. Where's C? C? Good boy. And where is K? K. K for kangaroo. Good boy, Athar. Give it to me. And where is... Wait. Now, where is A? A. Good boy. And where is M? M. Good boy, Athar. And where is W? W. And where is Z? Z. Where is Z? Good boy. And where is H? H for hat. Good boy, Athar. Well done. And where is O? O for orange. Good boy, Athar. And where is U? It's all right. Okay. Now show me where is U? U for umbrella. U? U. Is that an U? Look, that's a U. And where is L? L for lion. Good boy. And where is Y? Good boy. Where is V for van? Good boy. And you know these letters at all. Where's S? S for star. Good boy. And where is B for duck? No, you don't know which one's ball. And where is N for nose? Yes, that's N. N for nose. Good boy, Athar.